Goodbye, tingling hands. Goodbye, weak, aching legs. Today, you're going to discover 8 powerful collagen-rich fruits you must add after 60 to bring strength back into your joints, flexibility back into your legs, and stability back into your hands. If your fingers tingle in the morning or your legs feel stiff by the end of the day, it's not just aging, it's often collagen loss, and it quietly chips away at your joints, muscles, and nerves until even holding a cup feels hard. The good news? Certain fruits can help your body rebuild collagen naturally. No expensive powders, no complicated supplements, just simple fruits you can find at your local grocery store. Stick around, because the last fruit on this list can increase collagen density by 24% and reduce knee pain by 42%, proven in real studies. If you're ready to walk with ease and hold things without pain again, let's jump in. Fruit 1. Amla, Indian gooseberry. If you want one fruit that outshines the rest, it's amla, also known as Indian gooseberry. It's packed with stable, potent vitamin C and polyphenols that help your body use that vitamin C to produce collagen efficiently. Amla doesn't just help you make collagen, it also protects the collagen you still have, blocking enzymes that break it down. In one study, seniors who took Amla daily reduced knee pain by 42% and increased collagen density by 24%. How can you take it? Drink it as juice, stir the powder into your tea, or mix a teaspoon of Amla powder with warm water, lemon, and honey. Fresh Amla is sour, but soaking it in salt water overnight makes it easier to eat raw. Many seniors report feeling less stiffness, easier movement, and less tingling in just a few days. If you want a strong, natural start, let Amla lead the way. Fruit 2. Strawberries. These sweet red berries are collagen heroes. They're packed with vitamin C, ellagic acid, and antioxidants that protect your collagen and prevent inflammation before it starts. In a clinical study, older adults with knee osteoarthritis who ate strawberries daily experienced a 37% reduction in pain and inflammation without changing anything else in their diet. Eat them fresh and organic if possible. You can blend them into smoothies, add them to yogurt, or enjoy them as a morning snack when your body is primed to absorb nutrients. This small habit can make your legs feel lighter, your knees less stiff, and your hands steadier.
Fruit 3. Blueberries. While famous for memory support, blueberries are also powerful for joint health. They're packed with anthocyanins, which prevent collagen breakdown and encourage your body to repair tiny tears in joints, tendons, and ligaments. A study showed that seniors who ate blueberries daily improved joint movement by 38% in just 2 weeks, with less swelling and stiffness. Choose wild blueberries for double the antioxidants. Eat them plain, mix into oatmeal, or add them to smoothies. Just skip sugary muffins and blueberry-flavored products that do the opposite of what your joints need. Fruit 4. Blackberries. These dark purple gems are rich in anthocyanins that shield your collagen and manganese that helps build new collagen. In one study, seniors who ate blackberries daily saw a 25% drop in joint inflammation, while another study found anthocyanin-rich foods helped preserve collagen in the knees and elbows, where flexibility fades first. Eat blackberries fresh, ideally in the morning when your body is repairing overnight damage. Add them to your yogurt, smoothie, or enjoy them plain for a collagen-boosting snack. Fruit 5. Guava. Often overlooked, guava has 4 times more vitamin C than oranges, giving your body the fuel to produce collagen efficiently. Guava also contains lycopene and polyphenols that protect existing collagen and reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in your joints. In a study, people who ate guava daily for 6 weeks reported reduced joint inflammation and improved skin elasticity. Eat it raw with the skin on for maximum benefits, and avoid processed guava snacks or juices loaded with sugar. Fruit 6. Papaya. Papaya is more than a digestive aid. It contains papain, an enzyme that helps your body break down proteins to rebuild collagen efficiently, plus more vitamin C than oranges. A study found that people with knee stiffness who regularly ate papaya saw pain reduction and improved joint flexibility within just 2 weeks. Eat ripe papaya with a squeeze of lime for enhanced vitamin C absorption. For extra anti-inflammatory benefits, add a few seeds to your smoothie. If you experience morning stiffness, try having papaya after a light walk to boost collagen repair.
Fruit 7. Pineapple. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme that reduces inflammation in joints, allowing collagen to rebuild. One study found bromelain reduced knee pain and swelling by 41% in people with osteoarthritis, performing as well as some pain medications without side effects. Enjoy pineapple fresh in the morning when your digestive enzymes are most active, helping your body absorb nutrients faster. Avoid canned pineapple in syrup or sugar-coated frozen chunks, as added sugar increases inflammation. Fruit 8. Kiwi. Kiwi might look small, but it's packed with vitamin C and actinidin, an enzyme that helps your body digest protein for better collagen formation. A New Zealand trial found that eating 2 kiwis a day improved joint movement and reduced stiffness in just 1 week, increasing blood vitamin C levels by 31%. Eat kiwi fresh, and yes, you can eat the fuzzy skin for extra fiber and antioxidants. It pairs well in smoothies with papaya or guava for a collagen powerhouse combination. These 8 fruits do more than reduce swelling. They actively rebuild collagen in your joints and legs, helping you move, bend, and walk with less pain and more freedom. You don't need to overhaul your diet overnight. Start with adding Amla and 1 or 2 other fruits to your daily routine, and you may begin to feel a difference in just days. Which fruit will you try first? Comment below. We read every one and love hearing your stories. If you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss practical science-backed tips for staying strong, mobile, and pain-free after 60. Thank you for watching, and remember, sometimes the simplest changes can give you the most powerful results.